Hey guys, welcome back to my RS2000 restoration video. Just wanted to quickly say that this one's going to be a short video on me preparing the engine bay, getting it ready so I can put a motor in there. Video will start with my mate Steve, who kindly helped me out once again to polish the engine bay. Big shout out to you, Steve, if you're watching. And then you'll see a bit of footage of me getting the loom done, the brake lines, also the bonnet release cable and a few other bits and pieces. So yeah, cheers for watching as always. You got tools? Yeah. Okay. It's a bit tight, that one. What do you reckon?
I don't know.
Let's go on. That'll do. Alright, that'll do. Alright, there's the fuse box. All brand new ceramic fuses. And let's put the little lid on. This is my original lid. Look at that, satisfying. Alrighty, I'm inside the car. And this is the bonnet release cable. So as you can see, it runs up there to the little handle. You probably can't really see, but I'm going to try and put it through the hole, and then we're going to connect it to the bonnet release latch. Alright, so there's the bonnet release cable through. And it goes over there. And we've got these little clips here that we've got to fit. There's a new rubber. And then we've got that clip there that should hold it in place. Okay, so here's the engine bay loom. It's not in the greatest condition, so I'm probably going to have to rewrap that later on, but for now I want to try and get it back through the hole into the engine bay. And looking down here, here's the new grommet. As you can see, the old one's trashed, so I'm going to try and fit this now. Well, it looks like I've actually got the rubber grommet on the loom. Check this out. Yeah, there it is. Tell you what, that was pretty hard to do. It's amazing how much cable goes through that thing. Look at that hole there. It looks like heaven. That's where the loom's gonna go. Alright, check it out. I've got it through. Brand new rubber, and there is the wiring bay loom. It's gonna need some tidying up, I reckon. Alright guys, so I've done pretty much everything I can today on getting the engine bay prepared. Big shouts to my dad for helping. You. So I'll just give you a quick rundown on where we're at right now. Alrighty, so there's the bonnet release cable. We've got the little bracket in, just there, but I might actually buy a new cable because it is a bit worn out. I'll show you a bit of wear. Yeah, you can see the wear on the cable just there. So I'm going to try and find a new one. Alright, we've got the big brake tower secured finally with those 13mm nuts. And you can see we just started to put some brake lines in. So they're just sitting in place. Now this brake pressure valve, I guess we'll call it, I've got to screw it or fit it into that hole up the top there, and we'll put the brake lines in. But I might actually remove the whole part and give it a really good clean up because it's looking a bit average. Oh yep, there's the fuse box, and that's got all brand new fuses in it, and that is the original fuse box lid. And like I showed before, here's the loom. I think I'm going to retape that, give it a really good clean up. But I'm stoked to get that part of it in the car. Feels like a big breakthrough today. And also, I forgot to mention, we got the bonnet release catch fitted. Some nice screws in there. Alright, so here's a bit of an overlook at the engine bay. So we're nearly done, so hopefully in the next video I'll have those brake lines in and get the loom ready. Cheers everyone for watching the videos. Catch you next time.